north and south in the same house.
Hey,
this
y'all.
life story is all about two different worlds coming together. Neither one of them could understand each other. Two different lifestyles unite as one.
Hold up. Enough of this rap. It's north versus south. Where's Starbucks?
I don't know, he's your dog. Oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I knew I should have never moved to Atlanta.
Wake up! Everybody get out! Building's on fire!
Amanda, get up. Amanda, get up. Amanda, get up. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot the dog. Oh my god. I gotta get the dog. I gotta go. Wait, it's a fire, it's a fire, I gotta go.
Everybody out! There's a fire in the building!
I don't have any pants on, I don't have a shirt. There's a fire. I have a dog. Where's Amanda? Amanda, hurry up. Oh my god, why is she taking so long? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I got the dog. What's going on? Oh, hell no. I gotta get my snow pants on. I wonder if this is a drill, if this is real. Oh my god. I wonder where Starbucks is. I gotta get dressed fast. I gotta go get Starbucks.
Everybody get out! Everybody out! There's a fire in the building!
Oh, where's my shoes? There's, okay, good, good. Oh, I can't breathe in here. Oh. The bunny goes over the ears. Another bunny goes over the, oh god, come on, Harry. This is all I need. I gotta get my makeup. It was like $285. I gotta get Starbucks stuff. It's like $1,000. Where's my guitar? Okay, there's my guitar. Okay, I'll come back and get that. Get my purse, phone, check. Okay. Oh, I can't see in here. I gotta get my guitar. Wait. There's only one soda left in the fridge. I'm about to give it up. I gotta go get it. If I'm gonna lose everything, I gotta get my soda. I gotta get my cup. Oh, I can't breathe in here. I feel stupid right now, but it's okay. It's okay. It'll be a glorious moment. It's all over. Okay. God, please just stop the fire. Oh, it's so cold out here. I got dressed and everything. No jacket. No jacket. Oh well. Well, at least I'm out. Christy won't worry about. Oh, why is she yelling at me? Why is she yelling at me? Oh, that is.
Starbucks is in it.
He's not.
Oh, okay. Go back to right here then.
Okay. Show the Coke. Show the Coke. And she's not listening.
Shut up!
Now. Yeah, take your time.